Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for many HP printer users out there: the replacement parts for printer PRTA-28887 Fuser Assembly Kit. This particular kit is designed to be compatible with a range of popular HP models, specifically the HP126, HP125, HP126A, HP127, and 128NF series. If you've been experiencing issues like faded prints, smudges, or paper jams, a failing fuser assembly is often the culprit, and replacing it can breathe new life into your machine. Now, let's talk about some really important details that potential buyers need to be aware of before making a purchase. The seller explicitly states that this fuser assembly kit comes in one of two conditions: either original refurbished or compatible new. The catch here is that it's sent by random. This is a significant point, and the seller advises not to order if you mind this variability. For some, an original refurbished part might be preferable for its OEM quality, even if it's been reconditioned. For others, a brand new compatible part offers peace of mind regarding its unused status. It's a trade-off, and understanding this upfront is key to a satisfactory purchase. Another critical piece of advice for anyone considering this fuser kit is to meticulously check the item's appearance, size, and color. It's absolutely essential to compare it with your original fuser assembly before placing an order. While model numbers like HP126 or HP127 are provided for reference, the ultimate confirmation comes from a visual and physical match with the part you're replacing. This step helps ensure perfect compatibility and avoids the frustration of receiving a part that doesn't quite fit your specific machine. The last thing anyone wants is to open up their printer only to find the replacement part isn't correct. This fuser assembly kit, arriving as a single piece, is a vital component responsible for fusing the toner onto the paper using heat and pressure. When it starts to wear out, print quality suffers dramatically. By replacing it, users can restore their printer's performance, achieving crisp, clear documents once again. It's a practical solution for extending the lifespan of your existing printer, saving you the cost and hassle of buying an entirely new unit. So, if your HP126, HP127, or similar model is showing signs of fuser fatigue, this kit offers a potential fix, provided you're comfortable with the condition variability and have double-checked the physical compatibility. It's all about making an informed decision to keep those prints looking sharp.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.